Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Rick Santiago.
Sorry, pasensya na kayo, tangkad ko eh. Maraming salamat. Above all, siyempre, thank you very much to my Savior, Jesus Christ, sa binigay niyang ito. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Guillermo Foundation, Guillermo Memorial Awards. Maraming salamat. And I'd like to share this award with the cast. Maraming salamat. Muna pala sa Viva Entertainment, thank you. TV5, maraming salamat. Dahil ilang beses tayong bumalik, hindi ba? Pag nare-request. And of course, may kambal, Aga Mulak. Thank you, Aga, Shirley, my best friends, and Tash, and Andres, and of course, Tita Ses, Bayani, and our director, Danny Caparas. And also, Randy Reyes, our writer, and the creative group. Maraming salamat po. Malaking bagay ito sa akin. At patuloy po tayong magpapasaya at magpapatawa. Katulad po ng idol nating si Vic Soto, na walang kupas, na lagi pong #1. Kaya gagayahin natin yan. Sana paglaki ko, maging katulad. Gagayahin kita. I love you, Vic. I love you all. Thank you very much and God bless you all.
When it comes to making people laugh, our next awardee is surely a diamond. For more than 5 decades, she has been one of the comedy queens of movies and television. From her younger John and Marcia days to her most recent sitcom, 3-in-1, she will always be deserving of the crown for Comedy Actress of the Year. Congratulations, Diamond star Maricel Soriano.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Arthur Samaniego.
Very much, Guillermo, once again. Awards, and of course, masaya-masaya ang kaibigan natin, kaya lang po, meron lang siyang previous appointment. Pero late na po niyang sinabi sa akin. But anyway, thank you very much, at alam ko pong na masaya-masaya sa award ito. Thank you very much in behalf of Maricel Soriano.
One spectacular dance